Phew, wow, it's relatively warm out. It must be New England summer. Now that it's summer, it's time to go get some new plants for my garden. Hi, Mary! Oh, hey, Katie. It's Katie Burns, Pollinator Entomologist with the Rhode Island Division of Fish and Wildlife. What's up?
I just wanted to let you know that when you're buying plants today, maybe try and pick some native ones out. Those are better for pollinators. And maybe also avoid ones that have been treated with chemicals, because they're also not very good for pollinators.
Okay, thanks for the tips.
No worries.
See you later. Wow, I'm just so grateful Katie has all these awesome tips and just drops by from time to time. Ooh, you know, I think I might get a butterfly bush today.
No, Mary, don't get a butterfly bush. They're so invasive. They're gonna spread everywhere and take away all of your native plants.
Oh, okay, I'll try to stick to natives, but I mean, I really like hydrangeas. Are they okay to get?
Yeah, they're not gonna spread very far. A few ornamentals are fine. Just make sure that they don't spread that much.
Okay, thanks, Katie.
Oh, no rest for the weary. Ooh, a bee! When planting your garden, make sure to plant lots of native plants for your native pollinators. A few ornamentals are fine, but your native pollinators really want those native plants. Also, when planting your garden, make sure to pick plants that bloom all season long, from spring to fall, so you can feed your pollinators all throughout the seasons.
Oh, I got so many great plants at the nursery. So excited. Wait a minute. What's this? There's holes in my plants. There must be some sort of pest eating them. Luckily, I've got just the thing for this. Ha-ha!
Stop in the name of pollinators!
Gosh, Katie!
You can't spray that! That's a chemical that's gonna kill not only your pests, but also your pollinators!
Oh, I didn't know it would kill the pollinators too. Oh, I don't want to do that.
Yeah, let's come up with some other options.
Okay.
When we plant for native pollinators, we're also planting for other native insects, like beetles or caterpillars. These insects provide food for other wildlife, like birds, bats, and amphibians. All of these critters are natural predators for these pest insects, which can help keep your pest problems under control. And plus, a few holes in the leaves are fine. Remember, this is wildlife. Your garden looks beautiful, Mary. You did such a good job.
Thanks, Katie. I really appreciate it. So now what do we do?
Well, I guess we'll just stop and smell the flowers.
Wow, it's relatively warm out. It must be a New England summer. I put it on backwards.